With Sidekick, you can not only inspect your own contracts, but you can also interact with other contracts already deployed on chain. So let me show you what that means. Here on the left, I have my own contract, just boilerplate. I'm going to deploy this. When this is deployed, it builds this file, which has the address and ABI. Let's upload this contract file here. So we can see that our contract UI has showed up here. If I call this, it works. Let's write a function here. We write a function, let's just say like this. And this should show up. Let's make it take something. And we're gonna make it update this name. Okay, so name is foo. I changed something. Okay, so this is very basic. It's interacting with our own contract. Now let's make it interact with an external contract. So what we would want to do is that to set the name, let's say it costs 1 unit of USDC. So the first thing I want to do is I want to open up the USDC contract here. So let's get the USDC contract address. Sidekick is connected to Hardhat, which is a fork off of mainnet. I should be able to find this contract here. So I'm going to go here and manually enter it. This address, I'm going to have it fetch the ABI. Okay, so now we have the USDC contract here. So this is the USDC contract. I can call functions on it, and it's this contract here. Okay, let's make them both talk to each other. So let's make this public. Go back to our contract. Okay, we see USDC is here. Okay, so now let's charge people. So we'll just do USDC transfer from. We want to transfer money from the guy who's calling us to ourselves. We want to charge 1 unit. Okay, so let's go here. Let's change this to 1, 2, 3 name. Okay, so we can see that it's interacting with USDC, and it's saying that we haven't allowed our contract, my contract, to transfer money. Let's go do that. So we're going to go to USDC. We're going to go to approve. Now we want to make this a little bit wider. So we want to approve this contract for, let's say, 100 USDC. So that's about 100 with 6 zeros in front of it. Okay. Now let's go back to my contract and make the call. So now we get a different error. Now it's saying that we don't have any USDC. So even though I have approved my contract to withdraw, I have no USDC. So this wallet needs to have USDC. So let's go to USDC top holders. Let's find somebody. Yeah, this got 68 million. That's plenty for us. Oh, let's take this guy, 71 million. That's even more. Okay, let's take this guy. So this guy has a bunch of money. So let's withdraw. Let's impersonate this guy first. Okay, now all of a sudden we are this guy. So now let's go back to the USDC contract and transfer some money to us. Okay, and let's transfer. He has, what, 71 million? So we'll definitely transfer like 100 USDC. Okay. So this is making this payload. Let's take a look at it. I'm just going to transfer this amount of money, which is $100, from this wallet to ourselves. Let's do that. Okay, I can see it worked. Let me hide this raw stuff. Okay, some gas was taken, an event was fired. Right now, our original wallet has USDC. Now let's go and try to change the name. Hey, it works. And here we go. So this is an example of how we are interacting with contracts, not just the ones we are writing, but other contracts which are already in production or any other blockchain. And we're able to visualize it, use them, and ensure that our code does what it's supposed to do.